let's talk what the drill settings on the DeWALT cordless drill mean. So here, around the collar, we have this drill mode here, and then we have two settings here, setting 2 and setting 1. Setting 1 gives you more control and more torque. Putting it into setting 2 is faster but less torque and less controlled. It's just straight away full power. Whereas number 1 is more controlled and more torque. Then there's a great debate about this, however I won't get into it here, is the hammer mode. Some people say cordless drills can't have a hammer mode, but we'll leave that in for the comments. However, what this is supposed to do is create on the end here a hammering motion, so when you're drilling into masonry or bricks or anything like that, it creates a hammer motion and helps you drive your drill bit through that masonry. Then we go into the settings here. We need to come back on ourselves. This, once you're in the numbers, kicks in the clutch. So what this does is when you're drilling and you hit something hard, you see it stop spinning. That's the clutch kicking in and stopping your drill from spinning anymore. So it stops you driving too deep into something. But if you need to go any deeper, you just go up in the settings and it takes more force on the drill bit to stop the actual spinning. That was more difficult, and if you go right up to 15, it'll be really hard to stop that from going, and maybe I won't even be able to do it. There you go, see, I can't grip it, it'll just go straight through. So if you're driving a screw, it'll go right deep in. So you can set the clutch to a lower setting or a higher setting if you want to go very deep. Hopefully that gives you a better understanding what these settings are around the collar. Also, the speed and the torque setting at the top. You do have a button here, so you can go into forward, lock, straight in the middle, or reverse if it's pushed away from you. So hopefully that helps you out what the settings mean on a DeWALT cordless drill. If you found this video helpful, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.